what a beautiful tornado. Condensation on the ground. I can see it. I can see the condensation on the ground below, churning. Okay, one door at a time. Down in there. You can see debris swirling on the ground. I'm doing a zoom in, get more pictures. Beautiful tornado, beautiful storm. Oh, look at the debris. We're zoomed in right at the base of that funnel. It's going through the river bottoms right now. Sorry, it's my new tripod here. It kind of drifts. No, or that's the storm moving. Wow, look at that. Look at that tornado. Beautiful tornado.
Can I get out and take a...
Wait, let me shut my door. Go. Zoom out a little bit so we can see the whole thing. Come on, camera. Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty. Condensation planted on the ground with this. Damn it, nobody's reported this. Let me get a report out. Okay, I may have to move the car here. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Pull that map, put it in the back seat. It's going to go flying here. Our tornado report got through. They do need to issue a tornado warning here. This has been on the ground for at least 5 minutes. I'm going to move the car, angle it better, get your pictures, and I'm going to move. It's gone behind a ridge now. We can't see the base of the funnel on the ground. A little small ridge there. Come on, Dodge, you need to issue tornado warning. Can you text me one of your pictures? I'll just do this. Gotta get this out. Oh, come on. Damn it. Getting good video of this. Got weak signal here, so come on, get a tornado warning out, guys. There weather.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Well, it should be a tornado watch if you ask me. Let's zoom in. Let's see some of that motion on the funnel. Nice stout stovepipe. Oh! Do not open your door. New wall cloud forming. It's cycling.
Okay. You didn't get your door shut all the way, babe.
The National Weather Service
Finally.
issued a tornado warning.
Finally. Do a little zoom in on the base of the funnel. What's that noise?
It's my video.
Oh. Okay. Now I'll zoom out to get more of the tornado, and you can kind of see a new wall cloud kind of forming now up and to the right of the tornado. Wow. It really doesn't look like much on radar. Now it does. This radar's not updating. Wow. Now the question is, what's our game plan here? That's not gonna work. Come on. Oh, look at the helical. It's dissipating.
Oh, yeah.
It's rapidly dissipating. Time is 7:44 p.m. Still see debris on the ground, but the vortex all of a sudden ingested a bunch of dry air and evaporated it. It appears to be occluding and moving off to the back side of the storm. There's still tornado debris on the ground, condensation there on the ground, you can see. It may be trying to reattach here momentarily. I expect this next wall cloud will be the new show, and it's going to cut off our road, unfortunately. So we may be tail chasing it here. Oh, it's reconnected. Beautiful, beautiful rope tornado. Gorgeous. Let's zoom out a little.
Talk about
zoom out.
watching the lifestyle.
Get that there. Beautiful. Oh, I sure hope I've got a calendar shot here.
Me too.
Look at it really getting stretched out there as the updraft is moving off to the right, and the base of the tornado is remaining planted. We're about to see, and you can see inside the actual vortex tube there. Wow, look at the motion on that. As it ropes out, it's actually looping out. looping out. I just made up that term. It's making a loop. You can still see a condensation on the ground, disconnection, and then the funnel at the top of the cloud. I think the tornado is probably just about dissipated by now. 7:45. I didn't get a start time on. I still see a little debris cloud on the ground. The momentum will probably spin that out for about another minute. But the connection to the upper part of the cloud, I think it's done.